Imagine if we could control earthquakes and tsunamis to generate power, or maybe even terraform every planet in the solar system. These are just a couple of the things that might happen if human civilization was to advance in the future. And here's what would happen if we became a Type 1 civilization. Global civilizations can be categorized into what's known as the Kardashev Scale. This measures a civilization's ability to use all the energy available to it, and it's scaled from 1 to 3. Currently, humanity doesn't even reach Type 1 civilization. This is because humans don't use all the forms of energy on Earth. We use wood, coal, and oil, but there's a lot more. So, what would change if humanity evolved into one of these types of civilizations? Being a Type 1 civilization means we would have complete control over all the energy on Earth. This means that we say goodbye to fossil fuels since they're limited and unsustainable. Instead, we could use the wind, sunlight, and water for our energy needs. And since this energy is so accessible, you may no longer need to pay for your power bill. In a Type 1 civilization, we'd continuously be using energy. It would be as essential as oxygen. Tsunamis could be used to produce energy, and earthquakes could potentially be used to terraform parts of the world. With us having complete control over our planet's energy sources, we can also control the weather. If an area of the world were suffering through a drought, we could disperse rain clouds over it and bring about the life. Humanity could also say goodbye to global warming, as we'd be able to bring the atmosphere back to carbon neutral and control our planet's temperatures. Casualties from natural disasters would also be reduced, as we'd be able to predict when and where they might happen. And not only that, but we'd be able to live on places on Earth we'd never have dreamed of before, like in the water, as well as in climates that used to be unsuitable for us humans. Yeah, living in a Type 1 civilization would be pretty great.